Assalamu alaikum, it's me Sarfan. Today's lecture is about a long walk home. It's a story, long walk home. A story about parents and children relationship. It also tells us that we should never tell lies to our parents. It's hurt them a lot. If you just think parents sacrifices their time, money, health, and even desires to rear their children in the best possible way. So the children must also show the love, honesty, and sincerity to them. The story is about that the father is annoyed by his own son, but he is not angry with him, but on his own self. He teaches him a lesson in a very strange way. He says that the fault lies not in his son, but in the upgrading of father. So the importance of family and to care about them, it's our responsibility. Long walk home. I grew up in the south of Spain in a little community called Estepona. मेरी परवरिश स्पेन के जनूब में एक छोटे से कस्बे एस्टिपूना में हुई. I was 16 years when one morning my father told me I could drive him into a remote village called Mejas. Remote situated for. मेरी उम्र 16 बरस थी जब एक सुबह वालिद ने मुझे कहा कि मैं उसे दूर दराज वाक़ई गांव मेजास ले जाऊं. About 18 miles away. 18 मील दूर वाक़ई था ये. On the condition that I take the car in to be service it a nearby garage. इस शर्त पे कि मैं एक करीबी वर्कशॉप में कार की सर्विस करा लूंगा. It was the condition. Having just learned to drive, in hardly ever having the opportunity to use the car. अभी गाड़ी की ड्राइविंग सीखने और बमुश्किल ही कार को इस्तेमाल करने का मौका मिला था. I readily accepted. तो मैं फौरन राजी हुआ. I drove Dad into Mejas and promised to pick him at 4 p.m. I drove Dad into Mejas and promised to pick him at 4 p.m. मैं वालिद को गाड़ी में बिठाकर मेजास ले गया और 4 बजे गाड़ी वापस लाने और उसे गाड़ी में वापस ले जाने का वादा किया. I drove Dad into Mejas and promised to pick him at 4 p.m. Then drove to a nearby garage and dropped off the car. फिर मैं कार को लेकर करीबी गैराज गया और वहां पर खड़ी कर दी, गाड़ी खड़ी कर दी। Because I had a few hours to spare, I decided to catch a couple of movies at a theater near the garage. चूंकि मेरे पास चंद घंटे वक्त था, इसलिए मैंने गैराज के करीब वाक़े थिएटर में एक दो फिल्में देखने का फैसला किया। However, I became so immersed in the films that I completely lost track of time. Immersed, dip. मैं फिल्म देखने में इतना मगन हुआ कि वक्त गुजरने का पता भी ना चला। That I completely forgot the track of time. When the last movie had finished, I looked down at my watch और आखिरी फिल्म के बाद मैंने जब घड़ी पे नजर डाली, it was 6 o'clock. तो 6 बज रहे थे। I was 2 hours late और मैं 2 घंटे ताख़ीर से। I knew Dad would be angry if he found out I had been watching movies. मैं जानता था कि वालिद साहब को पता चला कि मैं फिल्में देख रहा था तो वो गुस्सा होंगे। तो क्या होगा? वो गुस्सा होंगे। He would never let me drive again. वो मुझे कभी भी गाड़ी नहीं चलाने देंगे। He would never let me drive again. वो मुझे कभी भी गाड़ी चलाने नहीं देंगे। I decided to tell him that the car needed some repairs and that they had taken longer than had been expected. मैंने फैसला किया कि उसे बताऊं कि कार को कुछ मुरम्मत की ज़रूरत थी और इस मुरम्मत ने ज़्यादा वक्त लिया। I drew up to the place where he had planned to meet and saw it waiting patiently on the corner. मैं कार उस जगह पे ले गया जहां हमने मिलने का वादा किया था और मैंने वालिद को एक कोने में इत्मीनान के साथ, सुकून के साथ इंतज़ार करते हुए देखा, सब्र से, passionately, show tolerance. I apologized for being late and told him that I would come as quickly as I could, but the car had needed some major repairs. मैंने ताख़ीर पे माफ़ी मांगी और उसे बताया कि मैं जल्द वापस आ जाता, मगर कार को कुछ मुरम्मत की ज़रूरत थी। But it was not like that. I shall never forget the look he gave me. उसने जिस अंदाज से मेरी तरफ देखा, मैं कभी नहीं इसे भूल पाऊंगा। मैं नहीं भूलूंगा जिस अंदाज से उसने मेरी तरफ देखा। I'm disappointed that you feel you have to lie to me, Jason? जैसन मुझे मायूसी हो रही है कि तुम मुझसे झूठ बोल रहे हो. What do you mean I'm telling the truth? मैंने कहा तुम्हारा क्या मतलब है? मैं तो सच बोल रहा हूँ. मैं तो क्या बोल रहा हूँ? सच बोल रहा हूँ. So it's a narrative based on a personal experience. And also the writer, he started the story in interesting way. In the suspense started the story in acha. In the suspense is maintained throughout the story. He follows chronological order in time sequence. So it is the end of part first.